Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your CMG mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google bar search for CMG mortgage. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, or you can simply go to the login page, which is the second link over here. Click on the link and it will lead you to the official page of CMG Mortgage Loan Administration. Wait for a while and the login portal will shortly arrive in front of your screen. You can see the username and the password section on the right hand side. Go ahead and enter your username, your password. Click on remember my username if you want to remember the username for the future. Click on I agree to the user terms and privacy policy, and if you want to read the user terms and privacy policy, go ahead and click on these links over here. After that, click on login and then you will be logged into your CMG mortgage account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and register yourself, and if in case you forgot your username or password, go through these links and then you can reset your username or password quite easily. I hope this video about how to log in into CMG mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.